You know, we hear this a lot. People see AI and they immediately think it's replacing humans or keeping you from talking to a real person, but that's actually one of the biggest misconceptions about how Medical Guardian uses an AI assistant for all call routing. Our AI isn't here to block you from an operator, it's here to get you help faster.
Every time someone presses their Medical Guardian button, the call first goes to our automated assistant. It asks, "Hello, this is Medical Guardian. Do you need help?" If the member says yes, it immediately transfers to a live operator. If it's a test, the AI closes the call, keeping operators available for real emergencies. And if there's no response or anything unclear, it still goes straight to an operator.
Here's what most people don't realize. This process actually cuts emergency response times in half. Before AI, response times averaged over 20 seconds. Now it's closer to 10.
And it isn't about cutting corners or replacing the care our members count on, which is often what people assume is being done when AI gets involved. It's about making sure our trained operators are always available for the people who need help right away.
At the end of the day, AI isn't replacing our operators. It's helping them be fully present when a member truly needs them, with faster, more accurate responses.
We know any new technology can feel unfamiliar.
But in an emergency, speed and accuracy matter.
You'll always get a real person when you need one.
AI just helps us get you there faster.